Hello, everyone. I'm Invalid Name 43. I should post this on my other site, but I'm not going to. I made a phone call a few days ago to the local airport because I didn't like the airplanes. And I know that sounds kind of Karenish, and it is, it is. It was so nice and peaceful without them around. And I was just wondering why this one plane in particular is flying so damn low. And I called and I said, it's not a big deal. I just I just was wondering why they gotta fly over my house all the time. A few hours after that, and she seemed very nice. I don't remember her name, of course, but she seemed nice. She seemed friendly. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. And within a few hours, I got planes flying over my house. The next day, just a couple of planes, but on the previous video, which I'm going to try to figure out how to put a link to it on there. Uh, yeah, somebody pulled some strings to send me a message because I just had a flyby. F8. It sounded like an F-18, F-22. I don't know, but they have GPS. All right, everybody in the world has GPS. You can find anybody on any map, and they have my address and my phone number. Because I'm a good citizen. I just simply called to complain and say, look, you know, I don't like it. I can say that, right? That's acceptable. I wasn't yelling or screaming, or I was just trying to find out why there was a plane going low and why they always got to be flying over the city. It was kind of quiet without them around. And I hope you hear this. I really do, because I don't want to have to do the audio over. I'm just saying, yeah, that was a clear message. There's no doubt about that. Um, I'm going to follow it wherever this leads me, really. I'm going to drop this. Hopefully, we get some information going because, yeah, this is retaliation for making a phone call. Plain and simple. It, I know it sounds conspiracy theory. I know it does. I know it does, but it's not. It's not. I know human nature all too well. I want to say I know stuff like this, and I just know people. I know how humanity acts with one another. When people have power, it goes right to their head. When people have even the friends, and go, hey, yeah, you want to have a fucking joke? Yeah, let's do that. Okay. I've been ostracized, hated, uh, on the extreme outside of every major school I've ever been to. I've moved a lot, so that happens. But yeah, school was not fun for me. Even to my senior year, just was not fun. Not at all. Anyway, I know what's going on. I'll let you know if any more planes go low. I know there will be. I know there will be. But the jet, nah, that was a clear message today. August 2nd, 2020. Mark the date on your calendar. This is where I'll make my stand, I guess. That's for complaining. That's silly. That's some silliness. I hope I'm wrong. I really do. I hope I'm wrong. I hope you find out that's just what happened. But to me, that's what it feels like. From my perspective, my view, my analysis, my expertise, if you would. I'm not college learned, I'll tell you that. I've lived in many places and I've been on college campuses, but I am mostly learned by the street, and not the hardcore street, mind you, the white privilege street, where you know shit went down, but you weren't that much in danger. But for you, it was dangerous. I don't mind me. I'm just telling you. So yeah, I'll let everybody know, which is nobody, because nobody watches this. I'm hoping somebody picks it up at least once, and I'll edit it. But yeah, I have been officially retaliated upon for the first time since I was a teenager, and my supposedly best friend set me up to get beaten up by another one of his friends, and I almost got arrested because of it. Even later on, after he apologized, and we made out. I mean, made up. Um, uh, he uh, he still betrayed me. One of my friend after him was a white dude, Matt, crazy dude, crazy dude, but he was cool. He had a fog machine in the backyard, an army or a navy fog machine, freaking huge. I know. Yeah, I hope I'm wrong. I really do. I hope I'm wrong. But I'm gonna push it just a little bit just to see where it goes. And this now, so you get it on there. Talk to y'all later. Even if you don't.